Hi everyone. I have not been on here for a while, but I decided to get back on here and start filming content again. So today I just wanted to do a Bath and Body Works haul, so that you guys can see what some of the sales look like, if it's worth it or not. Right now a lot of things are higher priced than they used to be. So it's always good to catch a sale. So yeah, today we're doing the Bath and Body Works haul. All right. So here's the big bag of what I got. And we'll be going through that today. All right. So my total savings is $111.65 at this point, Bath and Body Works. Please pay me for a promo. All right, so got some of the new fragrances. This is obviously not all gonna be for me. So other folks are probably gonna get from this bag, but so the Costa Rica Pink Pineapple Sunrise, just a really good fragrance. Very summery. I think you would probably like it. That's the one. And I got Lotion and a Splash. Next up, we got the Fiji Sunshine Guava Teeny. Smells like a tropical paradise. So that might be from the same line. So I have a guilty pleasure, and that is, working from home. I try to find like unique ways to de-stress, and I figured out that I really like peppermint body washes for just like a nice afternoon bath after work in the evenings, just to kind of unwind and relax for the evening. And so something I picked up was, see if I can find it. So many stuff in here. But I'm really into the aromatherapy line, and I like their eucalyptus and spearmint. Jamaican, please. Nobody nyam me up in my comments. But I really like the spearmint line. So I got the body wash, and I also got the lotion. Before I never used to see the lotion. Now they got the body cream, and they have the body wash in a tube. I had it in a bottle before, and I tried to find it, but they only had the wash. So I'm excited in trying to see what the consistency is on this. But I really like this. My bathroom smells like spearmint when I'm done, and it just feels like I'm at the spa. So really like that. You should try it. All right, so Brightest Bloom. It's another set. Gingham Gorgeous. And yeah, this is just for my husband. Gingham Legend and Noor, he likes those. Nothing crazy. So I really like the wall fragrances. I feel like they're lasting, and so I got a second kind. So I normally like the fancy one, so this butterfly one actually matches my living room area. So I got this one, but I got it for free, guys, because I shop so much at Bath and Body Works. I had the get a free item valued at up to $16.95. So I was able to get this. This one was $14.95. I think they're really cute and can add to, like the ambiance of your home. And then I got this generic one because yeah, the night light one is just not cutting it in the bedroom. It's too bright, but so I got that one. And of course, today, which is Memorial Day, that's when I'm filming this, it's buy one get one on candles. And y'all know Bath and Body Works candles are expensive, right? So one candle is $26.95. So if you buy one, you get one, meaning you're paying like $13 and change for one. So I got the sun drenched linen. I really like that. I like the smell of fabric softener. Who else does? So I got two because, you know, like, this is a Caribbean household, so when you cook, the whole place smell like curry and meat. So in order to get rid of that, put on a nice candle, light it for a while, and it just permeates the atmosphere. Yeah. So I really like that. But yeah, this is all I bought at Bath and Body Works. So, oh, one thing I needed to tell you guys was the splashes were $5.95 today. So if you're seeing this video and it's still Memorial Day, you can go online and try and capture that sale. But all the splashes were $5.99. Well, $5.95. And then they still had the buy three get one free. So I was able to combine that with also getting a free night light. So I thought that was kind of cool. I'll be doing another video on the luxury smell line that Bath and Body Works has. It's like they had like these fragrances that are the dupes of like expensive perfumes. I'll probably do another video. I don't have any of those expensive perfumes, so I don't know what they smell like. But I'll be happy to show you the ones I got so far and what it smells like, or, you know, what I've been mixing it with. Okay, so anyway, that's all for my video. I don't want it to be too long, but I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. So yeah, saved $111 shopping at Bath and Body Works today. So they had like a mini like Memorial Day kind of sale. Body splashes were $5.95. So that's a really good deal. It's almost more than half off the price. So go ahead and cop them. All right, I'm out. Subscribe.